Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are gonna show you how to be more creative and unlock your potential. So here with the help of the paint brushes and the watercolors, we have created beautiful lovely scene of so many flowers of different types and just spread the glitters all over. Here get a sheet. Now you need to fold it further in this manner into the form of a conical shape and then make some branches and twigs in this way with the help of the black marker, and then with the help of the thin brushes you need to make the flowers in this way of different shades and then make it picture aesthetic and appealing to watch. It's a visual treat, isn't it? Now here you need to make the ribbon as well. This is gonna look pretty cool. Now here again with the help of the brushes you need to make these in this manner, and then with the help of the lady finger you need to make the imprints by dipping it into the watercolors. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now with the help of round brushes you need to make the patterns like this and make the honeybee making in this manner, and this is gonna look absolutely amazing, isn't it? Make the sting as well and decorate the scenery in this way. Proceeding towards our next item, here with the help of the paint brushes you need to make some petals of the flower in this manner. Now make some small dots in between and just join all of them together and then make it in this manner. Spread the colors in this way and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now here with the help of the earbuds, what are we going to do? You have to make the dots like this and spread the petals in this manner. Now here you have to join all of them together in this way and this is gonna look pretty. Just make it in this way and decorate it further. Now here again what are we up to? You just have with the help of your fingers spread the colors in this manner and then just mix all of them together into the form of roses. Now you need to attach all of them together using these and then just color them in this way. This is gonna look again pretty. Isn't it? The bouquet is looking amazing. Now over a black sheet, circular sheet, with the help of round brushes make these petals in this manner. Now you need to decorate it further in this way using the pink shade and make the leaves all around. This is pretty. Now here again with the help of brushes you need to make the petals like this and then just join them together, and then here you need to make the beautiful rainbow in this manner and then just make the clouds on either sides. Now here with the help of these paint brushes you need to give the imprints of your hands. Then make a pot as well by making the lines and all and the dots around. Make the flowers and this is gonna look pretty, isn't it? I hope you guys have enjoyed watching our video. Thank you so much.